Hello beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I have done something a little different to my hair. Y'all, after I big chopped, I have been anxious to experiment with different styles. Now I know in the previous videos I did say that I was going to try and get a week wash and go style out of my previous wash and go. This is day 3 and I realized that I have an event to go to, a graduation party actually this weekend, and I wanted something to last and to kind of stretch out my hair. I did this twist. I'm sorry if you hear Layla coming. Come here, baby. Come here, baby. I'm on camera. Y'all, you see Layla, she got groomed today. Say hi, baby. I know. So I did these twists. I installed these twists this morning and I will try and unravel these on camera, but I will film another video of the actual style, how I twisted this and what products. I used Miss Jessie's and I will include that information in the description box, but this is what my hair is looking like day 1. I had washed my hair yesterday, last night actually, after the gym. So I jumped in the shower and I just let that water stream through my hair. I love a short, natural haircut because I used to jump in the shower every day, guys, and co-wash. And during that process, my hair grew like weeds, okay? I digress. I did wash my hair last night after the gym, conditioned it, left in a deep conditioner. Not a deep conditioner, I left in a leave-in conditioner. And it dried before we went to bed last night. So this morning I got up and sprayed my hair with my water bottle, just a mist, in sections, and I twisted my hair. So I used, again, Miss Jessie's soft curls, I believe, but I'll insert a picture here as well. But y'all, this is what my hair is looking like. It's not the neatest, but this is the back of it. And I just grabbed my hair and started twisting. These are not coils, these are 2-strand twists. I'm praying that my twist out turns out well. Today is Wednesday, so I plan on leaving these babies in through Saturday. And then I will unravel them before my event. Or I may do it Friday because the second day twist out is everything. The second day twist out has always been everything in the past for me. But again, guys, this is my 4th big chop. Textures change and your outcomes change. So we'll see how this turns out. But I am loving it so far. My hair feels so healthy. Right here, like when I was going to go to the store, y'all, I need to go get something for dinner. And I was like, look at these. I hope this turns out right because these little bangs here, I'm not liking rocking this, but I can always put on a baseball cap, a lined baseball cap, when I run my errands. But y'all, this is what I'm looking like. This is what it is, and this is the length of my hair. You could see that. Now there's some shrinkage here. Whenever I do unravel these, I'll take you along, okay? So we'll see how this is. I want it really nice and full for the event Saturday. And then next Wednesday, y'all, I pretty much get my hair rebraided. So my hair will not be loose for at least 6 weeks, maybe 4 weeks, because I want to wear them for the family reunion and when we go out of town next week at the end of June. So I did this at the right time because I wanted my hair just to kind of see the health of it before I got it retwisted. I want to deep condition one more time before my braids are installed. Anyway, this is what we're looking like, y'all. Thought I would show you.